Dell here responding to one of our commenters, one of our favorite commenters, by the way. She suggested that one of our previous videos was on a Wrigley product, a gum, and so we're gonna look at it again. And this time, I think it's just the basic Wrigley's flavor, the original. That's it. That's what I'm saying. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like there's 15 sticks in here. You can see. And we'll pull one out and check it out. I haven't had one of these things since I was a kid. Let's see if they've changed. Now this one's kind of dry. It's falling apart. Take the whole thing, right? Okay. Seems to taste like the way I remember it. I mean, it's been around for a long time, and there's a lot worse things you could do to yourself than a stick of gum. Got a little sugar in it, but a lot of other things it doesn't have, so probably this is a different package where you get so many sticks. Used to be just, I think, one package with 5 sticks in, whatever. So yeah, this isn't too bad. I remember the flavor now. Some things change, some things stay the same.